Moving doesn't have to be stressful when you have the right team on your side. At Out with the Old Junk Removal, we specialize in efficient move-in and move-out cleaning services in Knoxville. Whether you're preparing your home for a new tenant or need a clean slate in your new place, our expert team is here to make the transition as smooth as possible. We handle everything from removing leftover junk to deep cleaning, leaving your property in pristine condition. Our move-in and move-out cleaning services are ideal for both residential and commercial properties in Knoxville. We're known for our fast, reliable service that goes above and beyond, ensuring you don't have to lift a finger. With years of experience in the junk removal and cleaning business, we tackle any job, no matter the size. And we care about the environment too. We recycle, repurpose, and donate as much as we can, so you can feel good about choosing a service that gives back to the community. When it comes to move-in and move-out cleaning services in Knoxville, Out with the Old Junk Removal has you covered. Fast, friendly, and professional, we're your go-to solution for a hassle-free move. Ready for your clean start? Call us today at 865-851-4964 or email Adam at outwiththeoldjunk.com to schedule your service. Let's make your next move the easiest one yet.